Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Thank you also so much for my new subscribers. For my old subscriber, thank you guys so much. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make onion stew. Yes, it's one of our native stew which I'm going to be showing you guys today. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I just finished dropping this everyday makeup on my other channel. Feel free to check it out. Thank you guys so much. Video. So guys, here are all my ingredients for this onion stew. So over here I have my fish. I'm going to be using only fish for this onion stew. Here I have my dried fish. This one is stock fish. While here is my dried Melusa fish. Over here is my dried fish. So these are some of the fishes. So I also have these dried prawns which I'm going to be adding. I have some tomatoes here, and over here are my onions. So here is my nutmeg. I'm going to be adding nutmeg. I have 2 nut cubes here. Over here is my black pepper, my Nigerian curry. Guys, I just turn it into this container. This is not the container, guys. So over here is my crayfish. So let me go and clean these onions while we get started. Guys, I just placed my red oil in my pot now. So I'm going to add half cup of groundnut oil to it. So this is 3 spoons of red palm oil that you guys are seeing here. So I'm going to add half cup of groundnut oil to it. That means half cup. The oil is already bleaching. So what I'm going to do now is just to add my onions. I'm still going to add onions to it. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of my rosemary thyme. Three minutes later, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my onions and the tomatoes to it, blended onions and tomatoes. I'm just going to give it a stir. And I'm going to allow it to simmer in the next 5 to 10 minutes before I start to season. This is after about 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is just to add my stockfish. I'm going to be adding my black pepper to it. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Half teaspoon of curry powder. Half teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm going to be adding a lot of crayfish. This recipe needs a lot of crayfish. I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to add my non-cube. I'm going to add the blackfish is going to, be the last to go in, because I don't want it to scatter. You need to be here to perceive this aroma with me, guys. Oh, my kitchen. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys need to be here. So guys, I'm going to add my dry blackfish to it. Wow, this is so yummy, delicious. Oh my god, my rice is almost ready, so I'm going to, Jesus, oh my goodness, you need to try this. Our people said it's not everything someone told you. You too, you need to, try and taste it and make it and see the aroma alone. Oh my god, in the next 5 minutes it's going to be ready. Our onion stew is ready and my rice is also here, so I'm just going to dish it out. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to eat, guys. It's ready. So this is it. If you know you are hungry, don't forget to come to my address. My address is at the description box. Hurry now. So with this stew, you can eat it with your rice and with any swallow of your choice. It can also go. It looks so yummy, delicious. Try it out and you are going to testify to it. Thank you all so much. This is it. This is the finishing part.